Good morning, learners. Welcome to today's math lesson. Today being on a Friday, we're going to do a lot of work. So in our lesson today, we are going to look at the division of a decimal by a decimal. Division of a decimal by a decimal. And the given work was the following. 0.024 divide by 0.3. We need to go step by step. So these are decimal 0.024 divided by 0.3. Make it a fraction. This is 24 over 123 1000. Divide by this 3 over 1 decimal 10. From there, 24 over 1000 times. We want to change this and change the reciprocal of this, which is 10 over 3. From there, you can divide across by 3, 1. Divide by 3, you get 8. A 0 and 0 will cancel. So this will remain 8 times 1, which is 8 over 100 times 1 is 100. Remember, we are supposed to leave our work as a decimal. Don't continue cancelling here. Because we are dividing with zeros, the decimal point is there. And when we are dividing with zeros, the decimal point moves backwards. So how many times? 1, 2. So 1 and 2. 0 here. So that will give you 0.08. 0.08. As simple as that. Let's try another example. Example B. 0.924 divide by 0.6. Let's see, learner. So the first step is to make this a fraction. This is simply 924 over 123 for 1000. We just count the number of decimal places. Divide by, this is 6 over 1, 10. From there we move, this is 924 over 1000 times the reciprocal, which is 10 over 6. This and this will cancel. By 6, 1, by 6, 1, 9 minus 6 is 3, 32, 5 for 30, remaining 24, 4 times. So in this case, we have 154 times 1, which is 154 over 100 times 1, which is 100. From there, the decimal point is here. So we are going to divide. So we are dividing. The decimal point moves backward. How many times? 1, 2. So 1 and then 2. So your answer is 1.54. Not always we have an answer reading 0.0. Sometimes you can even have an answer reading 12 points, depending on what you are dividing with. Let me give you another one. 420.5. 420.5 divide by 0.5. 420.5 and they are divided by 0.5. This is going to be 4,205 over 1 decimal 10 times. So divide by 5 also over 10. From there, this is going to be 4,205 over 10 times the reciprocal of this, which is 10 over 5. So this and this will cancel. We remain with 4,205 over 5. Let's divide. Divide by 5, 1. Divide by 5, we get 8 for 40. 20. 5 gets into 24 times. And 5 gets into 5 1 time. So your answer comes 841. So in this case, you realize that we don't have a decimal point. And so sometimes you can also get all numbers. So we don't need to put decimals where we don't have a decimal. So if it's a whole number, leave it as a whole number if there's no decimal. Then I want to do the last part. And this is a word question. I'm going to write it here on the board. A word question. It's going to be Kamene had a string of length question. Kamene had a string of length 20.5 meters long. She cuts the string. She cuts the string into equal lengths. Of 4.1 should be meters long. How many pieces of string? How many pieces of string? How many pieces of string did she cut? The question mark there. So our answer is going to be in terms of pieces. So Kamene had a string of length 20.5 meters long. She cut the string into equal lengths of 4.1 meters long. How many pieces of string did she cut? So the quantity to be divided is 20.5. Be divided into equal parts of 4.1. So you get 20.5 divided by 4.1. So in that case, you'll have 205 over 10 divided by 41 over 10. So here you have 205 over 10. Multiply that by 10 over 41. So this and this will cancel. Then by 41, 1, by 41, 5. So you'll have 5 pieces. Your answer becomes 5 pieces. So she cut 5 pieces of each piece 4.1. If you want to know whether you are correct learner, take 4.1 times 5. Let's see. 4.1 times 5. Remember what I told you? 1 decimal place, 0. So total 1 decimal place. So multiply here, get 5. Here we get 20. 1 decimal place point there. So 20.5, you can be able to see it here. So to be able to know whether you're correct, you can just cross multiply and see whether you're right. So I want to leave you with work. I want to leave you with an assignment. And as usual, we are going to get a paper on Saturday that we're going to be able to do, which is tomorrow. Then we're going to do. So I will give you exercise 61. Exercise 61. That is going to be found on page 83. Page 83. You are doing questions number 1 to 12. Number 1 to 12. So I'm sure that you do this work. Do it properly, following the methods that I'm giving here. And you'll be able to do any question, even in an exam, you can be able to do it right. I want to tell you now that we are done with the chapter Desmos. We are through. This is our last assignment on Desmos, and we are just through. Our next topic that is very interesting is percentages. So let's meet next week on Monday to begin a new topic, a new chapter, percentages. Have a blessed weekend ahead, and may God bless you all. Thank you.